Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up preventing fraud with US Bank Wire Alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up fraud prevention with US Bank Wire Alerts, open your web browser and navigate to the US Bank official website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account Services tab in the main menu. Click on Account Services to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Alerts. In the Alerts section, look for the option labeled Wire Transfer Alerts. Click on Wire Transfer Alerts to access the alert settings. Here, you'll find options to customize your alert preferences. Select whether you want to receive alerts for inbound, outbound, or both types of wire transfers. Next, choose your preferred delivery method for the alerts, which can include email or text message. After selecting your preferences, review the notification settings to ensure they align with your needs. Once satisfied with your choices, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your wire alerts have been successfully set up. Check your email or phone to verify that you can receive the alerts as expected. Now, you are protected with wire transfer alerts to help prevent fraud on your US bank account. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity to enhance your security further. If you have any questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to US Bank customer support for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.